For decades, humans have been captivated by the idea of artificial intelligence. The concept of machines that can think, learn, and even feel has been a staple of our collective imagination. From the early days of computing, when the idea of a machine that could perform complex calculations was revolutionary, to today's advanced AI systems, our fascination has only grown. We've seen it in our movies, where robots and AI often play central roles, sometimes as heroes, sometimes as villains. These cinematic portrayals have shaped our understanding and expectations of what AI could be. Films like Blade Runner, The Matrix, and Ex Machina have explored the ethical and philosophical implications of creating machines that can think and feel. We've read it in our books, with authors like Isaac Asimov and Philip K. Dick, delving into the complexities of artificial intelligence. These stories have not only entertained us, but also provoked deep thought about the potential and pitfalls of AI. They have made us question what it means to be human and what responsibilities we have towards the intelligent machines we create. And we've dreamt of a future where machines can think and act like us, seamlessly integrating into our daily lives. This vision of the future has driven countless innovations and inspired generations of scientists, engineers, and dreamers. The idea that machines could one day possess human-like intelligence has been a powerful motivator for technological advancement. This dream is now becoming a reality. With each passing year, we see more sophisticated AI systems and robots that can perform tasks once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. From self-driving cars to personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI is becoming an integral part of our lives. Advanced robots are pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. They are not just tools but collaborators, capable of learning from their experiences and improving their performance over time. These machines are being used in a variety of fields, from healthcare to manufacturing, and are proving to be invaluable assets. They are changing how we live, work, and interact with the world. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, all around us. Robots are assisting in surgeries, exploring distant planets, and even helping with household chores. The line between science fiction and reality is becoming increasingly blurred. It's the dawn of a new era, fueled by innovation and the relentless pursuit of technological advancement. This era is characterized by rapid progress and the constant push to break new ground. The possibilities seem endless, and the potential for positive impact on society is immense. And at the forefront of this revolution is a remarkable creation, Unitree x Eliza. This AI robot is not just a marvel of engineering but a symbol of how far we've come. It represents the cutting edge of AI technology and the culmination of years of research and development. This AI robot is capturing the world's attention with its incredible capabilities. It can perform a wide range of tasks, from simple household chores to complex problem-solving. Its ability to learn and adapt makes it a versatile and valuable tool in various settings. It's making us rethink what we thought we knew about artificial intelligence. As we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can do, we are constantly reminded of the importance of ethical considerations and responsible development. The future of AI is bright, and the journey has only just begun. Unitree x Eliza is not just another robot. It's a sophisticated fusion of cutting-edge robotics and advanced artificial intelligence, designed to revolutionize the way we interact with machines. Developed by Unitree Robotics, a company renowned for its agile and mobile robots, Unitree x Eliza is powered by the groundbreaking language model Eliza. This AI marvel represents a significant leap forward in robotics, combining physical dexterity with cognitive intelligence. Imagine a robot that can not only navigate complex terrains with ease, but also engage in meaningful conversations. Unitree x Eliza can understand your commands, respond intelligently, and even learn from your interactions to better serve your needs. This unique ability to seamlessly blend physical actions with intelligent conversations sets Unitree x Eliza apart from other robots. It can perform a wide range of tasks, from simple household chores to complex industrial operations, all while engaging in natural dialogue with humans. The integration of Eliza's advanced language model allows Unitree x Eliza to adapt to different environments and situations. Whether it's assisting in a smart home, working in a factory, or even exploring new terrains, this robot is designed to excel. One of the most impressive features of Unitree X Eliza is its ability to learn from its experiences. It can analyze data from its interactions, understand user preferences, and continuously improve its performance. This makes it not just a tool, but a companion that evolves with you. Imagine a future where robots are not just machines, but partners in our daily lives. Unitree X Eliza brings us closer to this reality. It can assist with daily tasks, provide companionship, and even offer insights based on its advanced AI capabilities. The potential applications for Unitree X Eliza are vast. In healthcare, it can assist with patient care and provide support to medical staff. In education, it can serve as a tutor, helping students learn and grow. In industry, it can optimize processes and improve efficiency. This is the reality that Unitree X Eliza brings to life. A new breed of AI that is not just about automation, but about creating meaningful interactions and improving the quality of life. The future of robotics is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Unitree X Eliza boasts a remarkable range of capabilities that allow it to interact with the world in ways never seen before. This cutting-edge robot is designed to seamlessly integrate into various environments, showcasing its versatility and adaptability. Whether it's navigating through crowded urban landscapes or assisting in more controlled settings, Unitree X Eliza is built to handle it all. Its advanced mobility allows it to navigate complex environments with ease, making it an ideal companion for both outdoor adventures and everyday tasks. The robot's sophisticated sensors and algorithms enable it to move effortlessly through parks, urban areas, and even rough terrains, ensuring that it can keep up with the dynamic nature of the world around it. From bustling city streets to cluttered homes, Unitree X Eliza demonstrates an unparalleled ability to adapt to its surroundings. It can maneuver around obstacles, recognize and avoid potential hazards, and ensure a smooth and efficient journey regardless of the environment. This makes it not only a technological marvel, but also a practical tool for enhancing daily life. What truly sets it apart is its ability to learn and adapt. Unitree X Eliza is equipped with state-of-the-art machine learning capabilities that allow it to continuously improve its performance. By interacting with humans and observing its environment, the robot gathers valuable data that it uses to refine its actions and responses. This continuous learning process ensures that Unitree X Eliza becomes more efficient and effective over time. Through continuous interaction and data analysis, Unitree X Eliza refines its understanding of the world, becoming more intuitive and responsive over time. This means that the more it is used, the better it gets at performing tasks and assisting its human companions. Its ability to process and analyze data in real time allows it to make informed decisions and adapt to new challenges quickly. Becoming more intuitive and responsive over time, Unitree X Eliza is not just a static piece of technology, but a dynamic and evolving entity. Its ability to learn from its experiences and improve its capabilities makes it a truly remarkable innovation. This continuous improvement ensures that it remains relevant and useful in a wide range of applications, from personal assistance to professional tasks. This learning capability makes it an invaluable asset in a variety of fields, whether it's assisting in outdoor tasks, contributing to research and development, or providing support in everyday activities. Unitree X Eliza proves to be a versatile and reliable companion. Its ability to adapt and grow with its environment ensures that it can meet the ever-changing demands of the modern world, making it a true game-changer in the realm of robotics. The potential applications of Unitree X Eliza are vast and transformative. In healthcare, it can assist doctors and nurses with patient care, providing companionship to the elderly and support during rehabilitation. Its ability to learn and adapt makes it an ideal tool for personalized care. In manufacturing, Unitree X Eliza can work alongside human workers, performing repetitive tasks with precision and efficiency, improving productivity and creating safer working environments. It can also be deployed in hazardous environments, reducing risks to human workers. While there are other AI robots in development, Unitree X Eliza stands out for its unique combination of advanced robotics and sophisticated language processing. Its ability to both understand and respond to complex human language sets it apart. Other robots may excel in specific areas, like manufacturing or logistics, but Unitree X Eliza's adaptability allows it to seamlessly integrate into a wider range of fields, from healthcare to education. The impact of Unitree X Eliza on society is far-reaching. It has the potential to revolutionize industries, improve our quality of life, and redefine our relationship with technology. Imagine a future where robots are not just tools, but collaborators, assistants, and companions. This technology is not without its challenges. Ethical considerations, data privacy, and the potential impact on employment need to be carefully addressed. However, the potential benefits are too great to ignore. The development of Unitree X Eliza marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of artificial intelligence. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of progress. This is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and capable robots to emerge, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible and shaping the future in ways we can only begin to imagine.